Hello beloved, welcome back to my channel. This is Mafeli. It is time for me to make my orange, ginger and lemon juice again this winter. I've been making it but not capturing it, but this time I remember to capture my orange recipe. So today I'm going to bring to you how I make my orange, ginger and lemon juice at home. So without wasting much time, join me and let me show you how I make it so that you also make it in the house for yourself and for your family. So here I have a full bag of oranges that I pour into the bowl. This is about 22 pieces of large oranges. The amount that you will use depends on you, and I'm also using 6 large lemons and a thumbs of ginger. This ginger is very big. I'm not going to use all, but the amount you decide depends on you, how hot you want your orange juice to become. It's winter, so I wanted my orange juice to become hot, okay? So I used enough ginger that I prefer. And I make sure to wash them properly. The ginger, I peel off the skin and wash it properly. And what I do is to wash my orange 2 times, and on the 3rd time I wash it with salt and vinegar to ensure that there is no bacteria on the oranges. Okay, so do it the same way, the way you prefer in your house. Though I did it offline, do it the same way. So after that, I cut my oranges into 2 pieces. I cut it portion by portion and squeeze out the juice before I continue. So here you can see that I'm busy squeezing out the juice using my food processor. You can use any food processor or even manual juicer, any juicer you have in your house to do this recipe. But today I'm using my food processor to juice out the orange nicely. So once I juice and I get to a certain level and it's becoming full, I'm going to take it out and transfer into a strainer and strain it nicely. Now, if you are new to my channel, you are warmly welcome and will be delighted to know where you are watching me from, so that in my next recipe, I will give you a special tool. And to my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you all so much for supporting my channel, your patience and your comment on my recipe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. So after juicing, I poured it inside the strainer and continue juicing offline and poured it inside the strainer the way you see it until I am done juicing all my oranges and lemons. So after juicing everything, now I'm going to strain it nicely for my juice to be very perfect, so that I will move on to the next step. Now, if you like this recipe that I am making, please do well to leave a comment, give this recipe a thumbs up, share, and also let me be encouraged so that I will be able to bring you more recipes like this. Thank you. Now, after straining the juice out of it nicely, I am going to add the chaff that I set aside. It also has some juice inside. So I'm going to ensure that I squeeze out the juice that is inside the chaff nicely and set aside. In Mafeli's kitchen, please, nothing goes waste, okay? So I'm making sure to take out the most. And after, I'll move on to my ginger. Now my ginger, I'm going to cut them into pieces and transfer them into a blender and add some water into it. Blend and strain out the juice, then move on to show you what I will do to my chaff from the ginger. After I'm done straining out the juice, I then transferred the ginger chaff into a pot, add some water into it. I make sure that I use some of the water to wash the strainer nicely into the pot, and also wash the blender and add into it. I added enough water. I will leave everything in the description box below for you to check it out, so that it will help you to make your own. But it all depends on you as well. Now, after adding the water, I will then transfer it on the fire and let it boil for about 2 to 5 minutes from the boiling point. Remember, from the boiling point. So after it boils for 5 minutes, I'm going to take it out from the fire and strain it nicely into another cup. Here I'm using a cup that is resistant to heat. You can use any dish that is resistant to heat, but make sure you don't use plastic, okay? Don't use plastic, because if you use plastic, remember, it's going to take out some of the chemicals from the plastic into the ginger water. So we do not want that to happen, okay? We are making a healthy juice at home. And I also added some honey into it. The honey will depend on you, how sweet you want it to become. But since it is juice, we do not want it to become too sweet. So I add a little, and also added apple cider vinegar into it. These are all optional. You may decide to omit them if you want. Mix everything well, and then transfer the water into the juice and mix as well. Once it is well mixed, I will then transfer into a jar, keep it in my refrigerator, and enjoy little by little every day until it is done. I believe you love this recipe and you want to try it at home. If you love this recipe, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. This is Mafeli. Thank you for subscribing, and always remember, at Mafeli, we believe in the old adage, your health is your wealth. So be mindful of what you eat. Until I see you in my next recipe, stay safe, keep loving each other, and remember that the love of God to mankind is the greatest of all blessings. Nyamre boa yeke ye biako. Bye.